How to change name on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Pinterest. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Pinterest app itself, let's first visit the App Store over here. Or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's go to the search bar and type in Pinterest. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Pinterest is up to date. So tap on Pinterest and to check if it is updated. If it says open right here, that means that your Pinterest is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update button, that means that your Pinterest is currently outdated and you may want to update that by just clicking on the update button that is showing, so that you will have the latest features within the app. And so you will also have the feature of being able to change your name on your Pinterest account. Once you have made sure that your Pinterest is up to date, let's just head on and open Pinterest right here. And first, let's go to our profile page. So to do that from your home page or from any other page, just click on your profile icon beside the chats icon. Click on that. And let's just scroll up a bit if you don't see your current name. So this is my current name on this account. So to change that, let's click on this three dotted button at the top right corner and click on settings. And under the account information section, you should see public profile. So just click on that and immediately you should see the option that says name. So just tap on that and you can simply change it from here. So like that. You can also add an about, website, and also change your username if you want. And once you have set everything up, just click on this done option at the top right corner. Just wait for it to load and you have successfully updated your Pinterest profile and changing your name. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.